How to link, unlink Epic Games with Marvel Rivals. I'm going to tell you how to link or unlink your Epic Games account with Marvel Rivals. First, pull up a browser and then go to Marvel Rivals website or just search for marvelrivals.com. From here, just click on the Epic Store logo somewhere on the bottom right. As you click on that, it will direct you to Epic Games website. So from here, you just have to sign in, or top right of your screen, click on sign in. And from here, it will ask you how would you like to log in. So I'm selecting Google. And as you select your preferred account, you just have to log in using your Epic Game credentials. And from here, you can easily link or unlink your account with Marvel Rivals.